In this video, we'll show you how to change the language in Google Chrome. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Let's get started. If you're using Google Chrome, you might either want to change the language it's set to, or maybe it's in a language you don't understand. No worries, I'll guide you through the process step by step. First, open Google Chrome and look to the top right corner of the browser. You'll see an icon with 3 dots. Click on it and from the drop-down menu, select Settings. Once you're on the Settings page, look at the left sidebar and find the Languages section marked with a language icon. Click on it and you'll see the language options appear on the right side. If your preferred language isn't listed, don't worry. At the top right of the Language section, you'll find a button that says Add Languages. Click on it, choose the language you want, and hit Add. If your preferred language isn't listed, don't worry. At the top right of the Language section, you'll find a button that says Add Languages. Click on it, choose the language you want, and hit Add. To switch Chrome to that language, click the 3 dots next to it and choose the option that says Display Google Chrome in this language. Then, click on the Relaunch button and Chrome will restart with the new language. That's all there is to it. You've now successfully changed the language in Google Chrome.